Hello, got some more tools here I picked up this week. I'd like to show you this one. This one came off Facebook group. We got a micrometer here. That quick, I can't see a maker on it. These are all little mics. We'll put these in my machinist box that I just got. There's those three. I think I paid, I don't know, $15 for them or something. Can't really remember. Then I went to the live auction. Picked up this toolbox. It's a Craftsman. Not really a lot here. There's a bunny wrench. It's kind of sticky, so we'll play with it. There's nothing exciting in the tray. I was hoping more, but I only paid $5 for it. Unfortunately, that's the only exciting thing. Nice little trays here, but I figure at least the toolbox is worth the $5 I paid. Then $29 I got this crate. I'll save the best for last year, but a brace. I think this one said Germany. Yeah, right there. See it? Germany. Got a brand new little coal shovel. I'll put that in my coal scuttle in the blacksmith shop. Bearing race came from Dad. That's not supposed to be in there. A broken star wrench. Have no idea what this is. If you know what it is, let me know. There's a bit for the brace. Got some chisels. I use chisels quite a bit. I believe this is a Scorp. This one is a George Wolstenholme IXL hoof knife. Another hoof knife. This one is Heller. See the horse right there? Two more with the replaceables. This one again here is a Heller. This one here is a Pope. You see this one has a patent date on the handle. September 12th, 1899. It's a Pope. You can see, maybe see his name there. These are cool. I pick these up when I see them and they're affordable. Maybe I'll find some beat up pair of nips. No mark on them that I could see. Let's grab blacksmith tongs. So we'll go take these out. You can see the forge welds right there. That's always kind of cool to see. You can see the drop tong forge welds on them. Here's a nice little, I don't know, flat bit tongs. And these ones here, at the tool, another pair of flat bit tongs with a groove in them. See the groove right here, top and bottom. There you can see it pretty good. So you can hold flat or round. Nice little pair of tongs there. This one here, you can see. Again, another pair of at the tongs. Flat bits. These ones do not look used at all. But happy to add these tongs to my collection. I was excited to get those so cheap. Like I said, $29 for that whole box. But hey, thanks for watching. And I got a box too to store stuff in, so enjoy your week.